In today's video, I will show you how to create undetectable AI-generated content. And these contents cannot be determined whether they are written by AI or humans. Even if a piece of AI-generated content has already received a 100% AI score guarantee. After using a technique introduced in this video, we can achieve 100% original content. This means we can easily pass the tests of AI detection tools. Once you learn to use it, anyone can generate a large volume of high-quality, undetectable AI articles, bringing massive traffic to your website. Now, people claim there are various methods to bypass AI detection tools, and I will test each of these methods to see which ones truly work. We will have ChatGPT generate a series of articles. Then, we will test these articles with the following AI detection tools. Let's compare the results after the final data statistics. First, let's look at Scribbr Premium, which achieved an accuracy rate of 82% in this test, undoubtedly the most impressive tool. Scribbr's feature is that it not only provides a percentage evaluation of AI-generated content, but also has a built-in plagiarism check. Its advantages are clear, high accuracy, low false positive rate, and it can even detect edited AI text. However, its drawbacks are also evident. The premium features require payment, and it does not highlight the specific AI-generated text. Now, let's come to Tenorshare AI Bypass, which achieved an accuracy rate of 80%, almost on par with the first place. This is an innovative tool designed to help users bypass AI content detection when needed. The tool aims to convert AI content into text indistinguishable from human writing. It promises 100% plagiarism-free, human-like text that can evade detectors like Turnitin and GPT Zero. And most importantly, we can use it for free. Next is QuillBot's free version, with an accuracy rate of 76%, which is outstanding among free tools. QuillBot's feature is that users can use it without registration, and it can detect up to 12 words of text each time. Its advantages include high accuracy, low false positive rate, and a very user-friendly interface. The drawbacks are that it also does not mark the specific AI-generated text and may not detect text processed by rewrite tools. We also have Originality.Al, with an accuracy rate of 78%. Although the free trial does not allow you to choose your own text, only provided by the website. Its feature is the percentage evaluation of AI-generated content and highlighting possible AI-generated text. It can detect rewritten text and supports multi-language models. However, it requires a paid subscription, mandatory registration, and the interface may not be friendly to some users. Surprisingly, GPT Zero showed a keen detection ability for AI-generated text in this review, with a slightly lower accuracy rate than the aforementioned tools, but its simple usage process and instant results have earned it a good reputation among users. In our AI detection tool review, Scribbr Premium and QuillBot free version both have impressive accuracy rates. Although Originality.Al is paid and the text cannot be chosen, it also received a good evaluation with a 78% accuracy rate. After this series of tests, we found that directly asking AI how to pass detectors and how to rewrite content to avoid detection gave the most consistent results. And the content generated by Tenorshare AI Bypass almost scored perfectly, even deceiving all the detection tools. Finally, while various platforms have wavering stances on AI content, one thing is clear: high-quality content, regardless of how it is generated, is what search engines pursue. However, to avoid being seen as low-quality AI content by Google, we must make AI-generated content look as human-written as possible. That's it for today's video. I will continue to conduct tests to understand the actual performance of AI content in search engine results. If you want to learn more about SEO and AI, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.